Class 5 English. Okay, let's start now. Okay, so today we'll start this chapter, that is Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. Let's start now. One day, Aladdin, a careless idle boy, means who has no work to do. Idle means no work to do. One day, Aladdin, a careless idle boy, was playing in the street. A magician means the ones who does magic. A magician saw him and thought, this boy is good for me. So he approached to him. So he came to him. Next day, the magician went to Aladdin's place and convinced and agreed him and his mother that he was his uncle. Since Aladdin had never seen his uncle, so he thought that the man was his real uncle. The magician gifted them with a fine set of clothes. The magician gave them fine set of clothes. Both Aladdin and his mother were very pleased, means happy with it. The magician led Aladdin into a forest. The magician took Aladdin into a forest. In the middle of the forest, he said, go and collect some firewood. He told Aladdin to go and collect some wood. He uttered some word, means he said some magic words and sprinkled a little powder on the wood. Suddenly a huge fire burst. When the magician put some powder, a huge fire burst. Okay, fire came now. The ground shocked and trembled. The ground shocked. It was shocking, means it was moving, and it was trembling, means shivering. Okay. Aladdin was very scared. He became frightened and started running. He ran. The magician said, don't be afraid. Look down. There is a deep cave. Don't be afraid. Look down. There is a deep cave. Okay. Aladdin looked down and he saw a big stone at the mouth of the cave. There was a big stone at the mouth of, this is the cave, and the mouth of the cave there is a big stone. Now said the magician, inside the cave there is a lamp, and you should bring the lamp immediately to me. There is a lamp, okay, and you should bring the lamp. This is the lamp. This is the lamp. You have to bring the lamp to me. Okay. Now, Aladdin started shivering. Aladdin started shaking. Okay. Don't worry, said the magician. Take this ring. Take this ring, and it will save you from all dangers. Okay. The magician gave Aladdin a ring that will save from danger. Aladdin followed the magician's order and went down the cave. After removing the stone, he saw the room filled with silver, gold, pearls and diamonds. These are the inside the rooms. Okay. All precious stones are there. Exclaimed Aladdin. I shall take all this and I will be rich soon. Aladdin grabbed, means Aladdin took the treasure, means precious things, and filled both his pocket as well as the bag. Then he started looking for the magic lamp. Here and there, he saw the magic lamp in a corner. Uncle, uncle, he shouted, I have found the lamp. Please pull me out of this cave. The magician replied, first give me the lamp, then only I will help you. Aladdin thought, if I gave him the lamp, either he will pull me out or leave me here to die. I will give you the lamp only if you pull me out of the cave, he said. Okay. He will give the lamp, then what? Either the magician will keep him inside the cave and he will go away. The magician was furious. After listening to Aladdin said, no, you first pull me out, I will give you the lamp. Then after listening to this, the magician became very furious, means angry. He pushed the big stone over the hole of the cave and left the place annoyed. Okay, angrily he put the stone on top of the cave, and he went off. Aladdin was all alone in the dark cave. He started screaming and crying. Aladdin started shouting and crying because he is scared. Some drops of his tears fell down on the lamp, and he started rubbing his finger on the lamp. Some teardrop fell on the lamp, and he started rubbing. Rubbing means moving his hand on top of the lamp. Suddenly there was a burst of dark fumes arising. Smoke was arising, fumes arising. Aladdin was surprised to see such a frightening scene. When he rubbed the lamp, smokes were coming out from the lamp. From the dark fumes, a genie appeared. Genie means a person who can do magics, means who can do magics. Okay, a genie appeared. Whatever you will ask, whatever you will wish, he will fulfill your wish. A genie appeared and said, order me Aka. He said, order me Aka to Aladdin. He said. Aladdin was scared. The genie told him, I am the genie of the lamp. When you rub the lamp, I will come, appear and fulfill your wish. What do you want? He said. Take me home, cried Aladdin, and in the instant he was with his mother. He told the entire story to his mother. Okay? Told the whole story to his mother. The genie took him to home. Mother, I am hungry, said Aladdin. My son, there is no food in the home and I have no money to buy, said mother. Aladdin rubbed the magic lamp and told the genie, we want some food. The next moment, a wonderful dinner appeared on the table. Aladdin and his mother have never seen such food, and they were astonished, they were surprised to see, and they ate heartily, means they ate very happily. They were happy. Aladdin told his mother they will never be poor again. Now the news of Aladdin's wealth, Aladdin became rich and prospered, okay, spread far wide. The wicked magician also heard about Aladdin's prosperity. He disguised. Disguise means change his face and change his dress, okay. He totally changed his dress and face, disguise. That is called changing the appearance, changing the look and becoming something else is known as disguise. Himself, he changed himself and again became a merchant and went to the place where Aladdin stayed. One day Aladdin had gone on a journey. Aladdin went out for some walk. A powerful magician came back with a big plan. He took a basket full of lamp. And went near Aladdin's house calling out, "Come exchange your old lamp for a new one." One of the Aladdin servants heard this. She took the brass lamp and gave it to the merchant. Quickly the magician rubbed the lamp, and lo, the genie of the lamp appeared, and the magician ordered, "Carry all these treasures and this house to Africa." The genie lifted the house and shifted to Africa. When Aladdin came back, neither he saw his house nor his mother. When there was Aladdin's, no house was there, neither his mother was there. He then rubbed he had a ring. Remember, the magician gave him a ring. Then he rubbed the ring again, and his cheeks and the genie of the ring appeared. He ordered, take me to my house, take me to my house." In a moment, the genie of the ring landed Aladdin into Africa. In the evening, when the magician came, Aladdin and his servant mixed his drink with some powder. They gave a powder inside the drink, okay. The magician, after drinking the sharbat, that is called sharbat, fell down and fainted. Fainted means without any sense, he fainted. Aladdin quickly took the magic lamp from the magician's hand and rubbed it. He took the lamp from the magician and rubbed it. The genie of the lamp appeared, and Aladdin ordered him, take this palace back to mine. In a glimpse, in a moment, the genie brought back the palace to Aladdin's same place. Aladdin and his mother lived happily ever after. Okay, this is the story. So, the magician saw Aladdin and thought that he was a good for him. The magician convinced Aladdin that he was his uncle. Inside the cave, Aladdin saw a room filled with precious stone. The magician went to Aladdin's palace, disguised himself as a merchant. This one I will give you, complete the sentences. I will give you this one. This one will be your homework, you will do. And question answers also I will give you. This question answers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I will give you. This question answers also I will give you. So, this also I will give you. You will be doing only this part. This one you will do. Comparative superlatively you will write with most and more and most. Loudly, more loudly, most loudly. Clearly, more clearly, most clearly. Quickly, more quickly, most quickly. And here adverbs with er and est. Smart, smarter, smartest. Low, lower, lowest. High, higher, highest. Early, earlier, earliest. Hard, harder, hardest. This one also will do. Fill in the blanks with correct adverb. Seema is a good runner. She runs quickly. The prisoners are treated badly. With adverb you have to do. So quickly, badly in the prison. So children ran quickly in the race. Ruchi walked quietly without making any noise. Okay. These are the things you have to do. This one you will be doing. Antonyms. Match the antonyms means opposites. Antonyms means what? Opposites. Loose, tight. Loosen, tighten. Small, big. Heavy, light. Literate, illiterate, literate. Wise, foolish. Satisfied, dissatisfied. This one will be also your homework. So for today, this much. Thank you.